Well, it's about March 27th to March 28th. Tank's been going for about over 2 weeks since I finished it. Put a couple of clowns in there and some snails, and they've been doing just fine. But now I'm doing an unboxing from Aquatic Connection, otherwise known as aquacon.com. And this here is how it comes. It's a cooler in that box. Fit right in the box. I have to get this open. It's a pain. Comes with a free small fish net. That was nice. Looks like some free activated carbon packets. That's nice. 5 of them. We got one Nacerius. We got one bumblebee snail. An orange spot Nacerius. Looks like he is huge. Got a yellow tang. Looks like he's got a little bit of a white stripe along the side. The tank hasn't been old enough or cost enough for me to have a quarantine system. Here's a margarita. So once I acclimate them, they're going to go right into the tank. That's a narite. I have here pistol shrimp. Little pistol shrimp. I have a fighting conch, which is huge. An emerald crab. A fairly green emerald crab. Probably can't see it. And a diamond watchman, which is the only thing that looks obviously alive except for the yellow tang, which also looks like it's obviously alive. So I'm going to go put these in real quick.